Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Chat with Ask AI application as an English teacher, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the or go to your homepage, and within the suggestions section click on English teacher. Here you can type in your related message or question into the search bar. Here you can see your preset message. Act as an English teacher. Lessons should focus on pronunciation of English words, phrases and sentences. Briefly summarize the topic in a maximum of 2 paragraphs. And here you can type in your own topic, such as adjective, but type in another one that you're interested in, and then click on the send button in the middle of the screen on the right side, and here you will be able to find the generated answer. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.